Good morning, you guys. It is Friday, almost right at my sweet spot. 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when I like to get on my charts. I wake up at 7, take a shower, grab some coffee or tea, and literally just come to the charts and look for that first quality setup. Now, yesterday, if you're following my videos, I didn't trade yesterday. The video was a bit longer too. It was about 20 minutes, and there was just nothing that showed up on the charts that gave me anything that I liked. So, what I do, I didn't trade. Guys, we don't have to trade every day. But let's look at today's action so far. Gosh, anyone who's been up, literally trading since 6 a.m. onwards, you have gone 100% win rate. 100%. Entry, target hit. Sell signal, entry, target hit. Buy signal, entry, target hit. Sell signal, target hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100% win rate back to back to back to back. So what we're looking at right now, why are we here on the 1 minute time frame? Guys, you know how I trade. I like to have this over here set to 20 points. If any of these candles are engulfing 20 points, then I want to be trading on the 2 minute time frame. If it's less than that, I want to be on the 1 minute. I am here on the 1 minute time frame trying to just pull out 5 points, and this is what you can replicate or basically duplicate as many trades in a day that you possibly want. Take a look at price action. Now, great question that I got yesterday. Justin, if price action throughout the day it starts increasing and candles start getting larger, should you go to the 2 minute time frame? 100%. I have traders that are taking a system that's 85% and taking it to about 95 to almost 100% win rate during the day because they're adjusting their charts. And I go over this in my one-on-one trainings and I tell you exactly what I'm looking at throughout the day. If you switch back and forth about 2 to 3 times throughout the day, you're probably one of the most advanced traders because you're looking at price action and you're following the metrics to a T. If you're someone who's getting into trades and it's not next to a buy signal and you're not comfortable or don't understand the triple G's method that I'm going over, I would just hold off and take the buy and sell signals for its face value because there was a lot of education and percentage win rate that goes on with these metrics when you get that. So you guys, that is what I would highly suggest you guys end up doing. This looks like it might take a second or so until we get something populated. So I'm just gonna go over here real quick. If you guys haven't done so already, this is my future success. You guys can grab access, lifetime access to this actually in the description below. You guys never pay any monthly service fees ever on this. One-on-one trainings. I have 3 more one-on-one trainings today, and I'm currently booked out until about November 22nd. But I still have a couple more slots until before I go on vacation for Thanksgiving, but 50% off all of those. Take a look over here, 80 plus 5-star ratings that you guys can take a look at over here that see if they resonate with you. You know, there's a lot of stories and people that have had amazing success with this, and just see if any of that is something that you're currently doing. You know, you guys, I have people that are 18 years old, I have people that are 90 years old using these metrics. And each week I'm getting emails from so many people. Justin, I passed my prop firm accounts. Justin, I'm taking out my first withdrawal. I've never been able to do this within years. So this is where I would like to go on here. Guys, this is my live account over here. When I place trades, the last 18, 19 trades you guys have seen me place here and literally record my own trading, those are on a live account. So, and I do want to see if we can get a signal that pops off here. This would be a great entry. Honestly, because this is, so level of resistance is right here. If you guys saw one of my videos yesterday, if you get a buy or sell signal and it's slamming into resistance or support, you just want to hold off on that. And that's why I didn't take it yesterday. Day before that, not taking that one trade, it went 100% win rate, 13 wins, 0 losses. I didn't take every one of those trades, of course. I just take one trade in the morning. I get in, I get out, and I get on with my day. I run the rest of this business, and then I have a pub and a brewery that I also own with my family, and I get on with that. And then I'm also a dad, so I go have fun with the little one, little Sophie. So if you guys take a little bit more here at the price action, what are we looking at? You guys, let's kind of dive into this a little bit. And you guys, this is live narrative right now that I'm looking at. This is a higher low forming here on the 1 minute time frame. You guys can see that. I like this to see if we can get a push higher here just to the upside to a level of resistance. Now this is 232 is where this is going to be at. Now quite a bit of movement. 232 is almost about 30 points. So if we're only taking out 5 points, this is definitely a great opportunity to be able to push higher. Now, what I look at too is you say, all right, well, what if this kind of comes up here, hits resistance, and then flushes down below? Well, if it comes below, totally fine in my opinion. I'm just going to look out and see if this is a level of support, and this is support. That's where you'd want to be playing it down to. So if we end up getting a buy signal here, this is where I would actually want to be entering in on a long position to just scalp out a tiny bit here. just on the 1 minute time frame. Guys, down here on the dashboard too, if you guys are using this or not too familiar with it, this is going to show you exactly buying pressure and selling pressure in the market. So typically what this means is when you get into this top right section, this is selling pressure. So it's just an idea to say like, hey, look out, there could be a drop in price. Well, what happened? Drop in price. When you get down into these green zones, this is your buying zone accumulation stage. And this is where you can typically see when it starts stepping back up, price increasing. Well, what happened? Price started increasing back up. So you guys see how right now, this got extended into this top red area. What happened afterwards? We had a drop. What is it doing right now? This is actually in this top red area as well. So this could, if it gets exhausted and starts stepping back down, come down, break this area, background could switch over to red, and then we could look in for a short position. In the meantime, you guys, we don't do anything. You know, we're not going to force any trades ever. We never ever force any trades. And if there isn't a quality setup, we just don't trade for that day. And it's something that it's difficult. You know, a lot of traders, even myself, when I first started trading, I'm like, gosh, I just want to get on my computer in 15 minutes. I want to take a trade right away, and then I want to be done for the day and call it quits. You know, some days it's like that. You know, I've had trades that I've done here live that last literally 6 seconds, and it's a $200 profit. I've had some trades that last 6 minutes for $400 profit, and you know, it's okay. And then some days, of course, like yesterday, you guys saw I didn't trade yesterday. There was no quality setups. If anyone's taking trades with this price action, you know, it's difficult. It's really difficult. For me, there's nothing that says, okay, you should be entering on one thing or another with this. You know, in my one-on-one trainings, I go for something called triple G's and triple R's, where you can play that method as well, but you just got to be careful when you have price action that is like this. You know, there's typically not a trend. You know, it's up, down, up, down, up, down, up. See how this is doing this? You guys see how that broke through? So that's exactly what I was wanting to predict here. If this broke through this trend line and came down, I wouldn't be surprised if we now see our background switch over within the next candle or so. There we go. Price action has dropped below. Background is red. This is the first candle here. This is 53 seconds left. Guys, this might actually be a good quality trade for me to enter in on if we do or don't have a sell signal. And this is considered one of the triple R's. What do I mean by that? Background is red. Price action is below the profit wave. I know you can't see it right now, but this is the profit wave. Price action has gone below. Let me go and zoom this in a little bit. And this is a strong bearish Hiekin Ashi candle. You know, that's exactly how we had these movements here. What happened afterwards? We saw the nice drop. Now we're only going for 5 points, so a quick little scalp. This could be a really quick trade in and out. So let's wait here about 17 seconds more and see if this actually gets a sell signal or not. If it doesn't get a sell signal, I still may contemplate entering into this because I like how strong this is and it broke this trend line as well. We're going to have a few seconds left here. I'm going to go and enter into this actually. 2, 1, and let's see if we get a little pop up. And then I'm actually entering right now and see if we can pull this out. There we go. In and out. My gosh, did we actually beat the 6 seconds? All right, let's see, guys. Did we beat 6? 2 seconds. Yes. 2-second trade in and out. $200 just like that. Oh my gosh. Guys, sorry I'm getting so animated. It's just kind of fun. When you follow technical analysis and you literally just look at this. Let me go for the week here. For the week, 4 winning trades, 0 losses. I'll go here for last week. Last week was 8 wins, 0 losses. And let's do a custom range if you guys are following me here for this long. October 14th was when I started this challenge. And we're now on today's date of the 8th over here. And let's go into go. So far, 21 wins, 0 losses, $6,600 total profit on this account. You guys have literally seen every single one of these videos and trades. Guys, I have this information down here. If you guys ever want me to download that and send it over to you for proof of 21 trades, 0 losses so far. Guys, that was it. Triple R's. Had the line coming up. Level of support. We broke support. This is the exact method in my one-on-one trainings that I'm telling you guys. If you don't have buy or sell signals, you can take that first triple R or triple G, take it out for 5 points since we're here on the 1 minute time frame. And are we engulfing 20 points? We are not. See how we had almost 3 candles engulfing 20? Take out 5 points and call it a day. Guys, that's $200 in 2 seconds. $100 a second within the trade time. Of course, it took a little bit longer, but you guys, I hope you found a lot of education with this. Everyone who's done metrics on this so far and taken these trades, you've gone 4 for 4. I guess you can now say 5 for 5. if you follow methods like that to be successful on scalping markets with triple R's and triple G's, the method I love to use if you don't have buy or sell signals. All right, guys, take care. Have a great rest of your day. It's Friday. Enjoy the weekend, and let's just crush it next week again. All right, guys, take care. God bless.